Good evening, gentlemen. It's Thursday. What's today's date? The 24th of March. And I got a package from Blackland. Thought you might be interested in seeing what I got. I tell you, I've been waiting for this for probably 2, if not 3 years. Been wanting this for a while. So I had saved my pennies, and so when it finally came back in stock, I had my money saved up. I got it. So let's open up and see what we got. Put the knife away, the good old copper Kershaw. Little Shaverage, little Redemption bourbon. First of all, let's just get a little paper stuff here. Blackland, want to say thank you, welcome to the family. Get my glasses on too, might help to see some of this stuff. Little packing slip, okay, good. Yep, I know what's already know what's in it. Oh. Okay, box is wrapped in black paper. Okay, black box and black paper. Okay. Cool presentation, kind of liking it. What's this? You just leveled up your shave. Made in USA, some razor care, and Blackland guarantee. Oh, what's the guarantee say? Forever guaranteed against manufacturer defects. That's kind of impressive. Kind of liking that. And it's the Vector. Yes, I've been wanting a Vector for a long while. This is the base model. So this is the one that's not polished. So this is the basic stainless steel version. It has a sheen to it. It's not ultra shiny, but it's got a sheen to it. And that handle feels fantastic. Ooh, that notch I thought was odd looking when I looked at it in the picture, but you can tell that's just where the fingers want to hold that. That's just kind of, yeah. Is that balance point? No, balance point is just above there. Okay, balance point is just above that notch. So, but that notch feels just right to hold that. Man, that is skinny. That is a skinny head. That is a skinny head. Nope, it's not tight. Oh, it does have a gasket on it. Of course, I have a package of gaskets anyway. I'm going to take the gasket off just so I can take this apart. Show you the pieces. Show you the pieces. Okay, got it. Boy, that's just wowie. The precision, wowie, that's just wow. I've got of course, the Yaki Excalibur. It's not made to this kind of standards. I mean, it's good. I'm enjoying that razor. That razor is a lot of enjoyment. Whoops, I forgot to put the gasket on. Whoops. Come on, come here. There we go. I like that handle. Boy, I'm telling you, after feeling it, it looked kind of like when I was looking at the picture. But I can tell you those lines, they've got some sharpness to them. They've got some grab. I don't remember anybody talking about the handle, but I'm telling you, I like that handle. It feels really good. And nobody talks about that, but I'm telling you, yeah, that feels really good. It does. So that is nice. I am looking forward to using that. My next shave that you'll see will not be this razor. And that's got some heft to it. That's got some weight. I'm glad I waited for the stainless steel. That's got some weight to it. I don't like aluminum razor. I just don't care for aluminum razors. They're too light. They get a little draggish because they're so light. That's not light. Even the titanium, which is $130 more, is lighter. I didn't want lighter. I wanted the stainless steel, and I'm thankful that I waited for the stainless steel. Because now boy, that is just, this thing is gorgeous. To see this in person, and some of you guys on my channel and other channels have commented that you're ordered one too, because they say they came back in stock. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. That thing is just gorgeous. Oh, that handle feels so functional. It really feels very functional. And of course, it's got the bow at the end. Let me just show you that end. Because I am fussy on my handles. I am. But because it bows out, oh yeah. I can already tell third pass against the grain. Even with, if I've put in greasy pomade and all that, and that's a little bit left, yeah, that's holding. It's because those lines are so cut so nice. They really are. Those are nice precision lines. Some of them are just decorative. It's some like razors you get, it's like, yeah, it looks cool, but in function, no. I'm telling you, that's functional. That is functional. I don't know if you can see a better look at the handle. I'm showing you the handle just because I'm very impressed with that handle. Yes. So Blackland people, thank you. This was well worth the wait. I am really looking forward to using that. Probably use this on Sunday because Saturday is going to be a different shave that for the razor I'm using now. But so I'll probably won't start using this until Sunday. So you'll see it next week after I've had a week's worth of using it. Because I like to give you, I don't want to give you first impression. Everybody gives you first impressions. I'm going to give you an impression after a week of shaving with it. So I'll do that instead. So I hope you appreciate that. That's just my thing because everybody else is doing the other stuff. So I wanted to give you a little something different. But I'm telling you, the feel of this thing, the weight of this thing, and that's as slim and light as that looks, it looks like it weighs a feather. I'm telling you, it doesn't. It feels like it's got heft to it. And I'm really glad I waited for the stainless steel. Now I'm thinking even the titanium might have been okay too because this is so heavy that the titanium might have been okay with with a little bit less weight. But I'm thankful I waited for the stainless steel. So guys, I hope you like this video. I hope you showed you a little something different, and go with God.